Here we are, December 20th, 2009, out on the Lias porch. And we've had a big storm come through. Biggest pre-Christmas storm in quite some time. There's the Black Beauty, largely covered in snow. And doing a pretty good job on the streets. Not too bad. But it's still coming down. I've got a flight to Chicago tomorrow at 6 a.m. and I think I'll get out.